Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Can I trim that guy? We got some desserts there. Oh, they also have some booths right here too. So they have some seats here, and they also have seats here too. So they are trying to bring more tourism. Okay, so this is just a little lane called Autonovo lane, and this goes all the way down. We're gonna back up as soon as this car goes behind me. And you can see where we're going to be going all the way down that way. Then you can also get a context of where we are here, which is the port down that way. So we're going to follow this path, Autonovo lane. Let me step back. So kind of cool imagery. Lots of traffic coming through too. So stay tuned, and we'll do Autonovo lane. Travessa do Autonovo. Look at that traffic. Jeez, crazy. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so we're going to give a little context. So we also have there are 2 days and then Autonovo. So we're going to walk down this one. Got lots of traffic everywhere. Move back. So that's going to be our target right there. Still got lots of traffic. I think they just come quick around the corner there for whatever reason, but that's going to be our focus. Man, I'm just going to come down here for a second. I just want to give you some full context, and there is some nice artwork right there. And then all the traffic is coming fast around this corner right here. Here comes more of it. So yeah, I don't know why, but this one kind of comes through real quick. But we're gonna follow down this way, and then we're gonna go down that way. Okay. Can I trim that guy? Okay. So we are gonna head on down this way, and we're just gonna navigate all the way down to the end of that street right there. You got some pretty nice imagery as well. And this kind of goes all the way to Huade Felicidade, so I think that we're going to be able to capture that a little bit as well. Before we go down, this is kind of interesting too, because they got a chair sitting right here. In the salon. Kind of interesting. All kinds of interesting stuff around here. Okay, so Travessa de Autonovo. Yeah, this one is near Pont 16, near the waterfront, which rhymes. And we're gonna just see what we can all see in here. Let me just kind of check out and see what some of this stuff is. Looks like there's a sign here. I think that might be a grand opening sign, possibly. Car wash. Yeah, I think that starting corner was an interesting corner. And then once we get down here, we have a Novo, which is kind of an interesting street that I want to capture. There's some new stuff down there too. But we're going to keep going down our target street, stay faithful to Autonovo, capture all that's here. That one has some reflection mirrors to reflect the spirits. There's like a 1, 2, 3. They have like 3, possibly more, bagua mirrors. And they also have like a little spirit guy up there too. So yeah, that's actually kind of interesting. That one has a lot of spirits. reflecting a lot of spirits. I am going to check something out real quick. So we're just gonna come down here. Okay, yeah. So this particular street, so that little one, but if you go down this way, I filmed that not too long ago, and it has like this little set structure here, but then this is a different one. I'm gonna film that differently. I'm gonna do this Travessa later. But the reason I'm interested in this one is because when I first came to Macau, there was a really large shrine in this area, and now it's all gone. But that shrine had a lot of like energy to it. Powerful energy. And it was, yeah, I think this right here is a villa. And around the corner there was like something with a lot of energy. I won't get into it because I'll just focus on the streets here. So this is Autonovo. We'll keep on going down. And then we're coming kind of near Rua da Felicidade, which is a major tourist street. There's our focus. I'm gonna we got some desserts there. Okay, so this street right here is Rua da Felicidade, and I'm just gonna go up to it briefly, but that's our target street, Autonovo. You got some hotels here, and then this street up here is a traditional street of prostitution, sing-song girls who would kind of like geishas in Japan, and I'm not going to highlight it because we're going to get away from our target street, but Autonovo is at the base of the street, and you can see all these little things all set up, and these chairs as well. Let's go around real quick, and we're going to go down like that. So they're setting this up for tourism. It's a lot of money coming in for tourism, so there's kind of Instagrammable shots. So we're gonna head back down to Autonovo. Oh, they also have some booths right here too. So they have some seats here, and they also have seats here too. So they are trying to bring more tourism in this space. So we're gonna go down to Autonovo, back to Autonovo. Got hotel. This little stretch is kind of known for pretty low-end hotels, and the hotels used to be involved with prostitution, and then they cleaned it all up about 7 or 8, 9 years ago. And now they're doing this stuff, you know, bringing it more tourism based. Okay. So now we've officially left our street because now this is Matadoro. But our target street was this one right here, Autonovo. And just to give you the full context of Autonovo, I'm actually going to go down one block because then I can show you what this goes out to. And it basically goes out to San Malo, Avenida de Almeida Ribera. So let me just go all the way to the end there, and then we'll give the full context. So out here, with all our black and white tiles, so you got tourism shops as well, and they go all the way down to the pont. It goes like that, and then you have these kind of nice, beautiful buildings throughout. And they even built these at nighttime; they'll light up. And this will go almost all the way down to Senado Square. And it'll go all the way down to MGM, which is way down there. Okay, so on that note, we're gonna head back to Autonovo Street, and then we're going to conclude. So this is basically Matadoro Lane. Huh, this used to be Tiger Burger. It's actually already gone. That hamburger place came up during COVID and then it disappeared. So anyways, got some, they just washed that sign. I was here not too long ago and the signs were so dirty. They went through and washed them. Okay, so we're gonna end our video, and that was actually Autonovo. Autonovo. Travessa do Autonovo. And there's Autonovo right there. And on that note, we're going to end the video. Oh. Okay. Sometimes when you go down the same street a different direction, it has a different feel. So we're gonna end it right there. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.